The Doomsday Clock's just changed its time to 89 seconds to midnight, the closest it's ever indicated to the end of humanity. Now here in Australia we've got a similar clock that's just been installed, so you might wonder, how do they actually work? It was created in the year 1947 by the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientists, just a couple of years after the end of World War II. Now the initial focus was on nuclear Armageddon, but since then it's expanded to other existential threats. Since then the time's changed 26 times, sometimes closer, sometimes further away, depending on world events. So what does the time actually mean? Well, not a lot specifically. This isn't really a scientific or objective process. Instead, the board of the organisation meets and decide what the clock should be set at. And that's similar to the approach being used here. This is an artwork known as Dead Zone, and it's created by Melbourne artist Yandel Watson. And what this climate change focused, solar powered clock is doing is counting down to the year 2030, which is the year that the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change say that emissions have to be reduced to cap warming at 1.5 degrees.